to day whatever it is. By now you've figured out that I lost track of the days and the numbers. Day 20 is being edited right now, and I know there's a couple other days that I actually did work to get it this far. But where are we in this build? The tin, the steel roofing is all the way on, around, and all that's left on today is our ridge cap, yay, and then to clean up things. So going to be an exciting day. No wind as of yet, should be perfect, 70 degrees and sunny and no wind. Ridge cap, let's take a quick look at that right over here. This is also repurposed and it's pretty beat up, but as you can see we have 3 pieces here. It's the ridge mainly that I'm looking, so some of this that got kind of beat up during when it was taken off, we'll just cut that out and use that. So that's gonna get put on there. I'm still working on how I'm gonna get up onto the top of the roof and do that. I've got an idea, so that'll work. But the exciting part, super exciting part of what's gonna happen today is I was able to get a couple of the Clower Globe Finials, and this is really, really cool. So what I'll do, I'm gonna put a card up above, and that's gonna take you back to the dressing suite where I moved a Globe Finial off of, actually, when we look at it, the end of the shed right over there, the end of the tool shed, which is that guy right there. And then we moved it over to, probably should do a whole tour of this place. Right over there, and I'll probably try to do it, but right over there, boop, is the front porch of the dressing suite here at the gardens, and that has the Globe Finial that I moved. So what do these Globe Finials look like? Go watch that video, come back. But here we go, here it is. This is what they look like. And it'll focus, it says Clower. Funny thing is, they don't give these away. Word on the street is they don't want to make these anymore, but people still want them. So they charge almost $100 a piece. Don't tell anybody that, yikes. But really, really cool. Excited to be putting this up there. These are gonna get installed first, then we're gonna probably take down the scaffolding and get the ridge cap on. Yeah, it's a smile. It's good. All right, let's do it. last little piece of ridge cap ready to go on. Just came back from lunch, so the tin that's up there should be nice and hot, but it won't be that bad. All right, so we're gonna go set the last finial. Here's the one. The last one. Well, the carts are all loaded up. That can only mean one thing. We are done. Not just done, but done. The roof is complete and it feels so good. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek, or not even a sneak peek, a check of it. Here you are. Ball finials are in up there. Looking real sweet. And they're brand new on the galvanized, so give them a little bit of time and they'll start to darken up and you'll barely even notice that they are brand new. But isn't that pretty? So wow, solo for a while. Let's just fly underneath. Woo. Been solo, been fun. Using the ladders and the small little pick on there worked out really sweet to get the ridge cap and screw in, so it wasn't bad at all. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to use the 16-foot and then that would have been just like insane to lift up there, and then I remembered I had those adjustable 11-footers and they were just perfect. Okay, I've covered enough, I think, in the video about what we did. If you have any questions about how we got this far and what we did and why we did it, leave a comment down below and I will happily reply to it and tell you what we did. All right, moving forward, we're all loaded up on the carts, heading over to another project over there, which will be stones. But for the build your own timber frame, what's left? I'm gonna try to point, let's see, way over there by that truck is where this is going to get moved to. And don't think it's that crazy of a thing, because every time I tell somebody, hey, I'm going to move this, they're going to go, what? You're moving that? People have been moving houses for hundreds, if not thousands of years. So we're just going to slide a trailer underneath there, lift it up, set it on the trailer, and move it over there. Not a big deal until the day we have to do it. All right, let's do a couple thank yous. Thanks, Tom. Mr. Northhouse. Maybe he's not Mr. Northhouse. He's Mr. Timber Frame, something like that. Tom, our instructor, for doing all of this, getting us this far. Thanks to Ben for helping quite a bit. Going up to Northhouse, going where? Here. And unfortunately, the stay-at-home has kept him at home, so he has not had the pleasure of finishing this off this far. So bummer for that, but thank him for getting me this far. Everyone else involved kind of just in, Deb and Chris kind of keeping me sane on the office front. Michelle for just letting me have fun. You know, it's that simple. Classmates for Judd, Leisha following along, John following along, and watching the videos. I did save. I've got 4 buckets of cutoffs from the 1x material, and then in the shop I also have 2 more buckets of the 3x5. So Nina, the word on the street is going to be coming through at some point in the future, and we're gonna save that, and hopefully she's here for a night and we have a little fire over in the fireplace and Ben can come out and we'll have a little party. That's it. Thanks everyone. There will be another day. I'm going to show not like everything about the footings, but getting the footings in, putting that in place, building the brackets to go on the footings, and then just the move. And I think that will be it for this whole series. So probably 2 more videos on whatever day it is. I'm gonna put a handful of pretty pictures in here from the drone and flying around over the next couple of days, so enjoy that. Enjoy going back and watching from day 1 to see how we got to here.